Welcome to my Clean Impact template. I'm going to give you a brief demo of what this can do. Just like the vertical template, there are 3 different background options. We have an arena, which has some great lights, gives a really cool effect there. I can shut that off, and I can turn on this gym background that offers more of a classic high school gym atmosphere. And we also have some clouds for those sports played outside in the sun. You can photograph your athletes individually and layer them in there, just like that. It's very simple to insert them. You can also photograph a whole team together, extract them, and they can drag and drop just like the other guys into this and fit in there just like that. It can be a small team, or it could fit a larger team. As the name implies, I've designed it to be clean and impactful, but you can add color to it if you'd want. So for example, I can add this background color, and I could change the inner color also. Something like that easily and quickly changes the look completely. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download that'll give you tips and tricks for using this template and teach you how to modify all the different layers. You can easily print up to 10-foot banners with this, or 4x6s, 5x7s, and 8x10s. This is a great look for any team.